In this video, I will show you how to connect any earbuds to your smart TV. Now, over here I have an Android smart TV, but it doesn't matter the type of smart TV you have. Whether you have a Hisense, TCL, Samsung, LG, or even a Google TV, following similar steps, you should be able to pair and connect any earbuds to any smart TV you have. Now, to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your earbud is actually fully charged, and if you have connected your earbud to another device, you have to go ahead and disconnect it from that device. And once that is done, you want to come over to your smart TV, in this case my Android smart TV over here, and on your smart TV you want to navigate to the settings of your TV. So just look for where you have the gear icon on your TV. In my case, it is at the top over here. Go ahead and click on it to open up the settings of the TV, and then you just want to scroll down until you find the Bluetooth settings on your smart TV. If you're using an Android smart TV like this one, then just head over to the remote and accessories option over here, select that, and then at this point you want to go ahead and click on the add accessories option. In some smart TVs, you're going to find the Bluetooth option over here. Just go ahead and turn on the Bluetooth and then search for available Bluetooth devices. For the Android TV, click on add accessories over here, and automatically your smart TV will start to look for available Bluetooth devices it can actually connect to. At this point, you want to come back to your earbuds, and then you want to make sure you put it on pairing mode. So basically you want to open it up. This is actually how to put most earbuds on pairing mode. It might actually differ depending on the type of earbud you have. And then at the back over here, you're going to notice this little button at the back. Now just go ahead and long press on it, and once the light in the earbud starts to blink, then it means that the earbud is actually on pairing mode. If the light does not blink, you can as well just go ahead and remove the earbuds from the case, just like so. And once these lights are blinking, then it simply means that they are actually on pairing mode. Now you can literally see the name of my earbuds at the top of my TV over here. And at this point, you just want to use your remote control and select the name of your earbuds. Now it is currently pairing, and then just go ahead and click on pair. And just like so, I have been able to connect my earbuds with my smart TV. You also notice that on my earbuds, the LED lights are no longer blinking, indicating that it has successfully paired with my smart TV over here. And at this point, I can go ahead and start playing any audio or sound from my smart TV, and it will start coming out from my earbuds over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.